Hey guys, so I have got another TikTok shop parcel. I've opened it, but yeah, I'll show you what it is. So first of all, I was a bit taken aback by that white packaging because I was expecting something different. You'll know what in a minute. So I got my Made by Mitchell Lonely Hearts collection, and I was quite surprised because it came in a white envelope. I was expecting the like green envelope. So you can see that I've opened them. It was quite a chore to open the packaging. Packaging is lovely, by the way. I'm here for it, but the way it's sealed, it's very difficult to bring it out without tearing the box, which is a bit annoying because if I wanted to give it out as a gift, I can't do that now. But yeah, I love the packaging and all the colors that came in it. I am really excited, so I'll show you what the colors are. So basically this was an offer for 5 of the new blush collection, Lonely Hearts collection, and a brush, and everything I got for £20. I don't know why, for some reason I thought there was 4 in there, because when I saw the ad I thought I was buying 4 and a brush, and when it came it was 5. I was like, is there something wrong with my order and packaging and all that? But yes, it's actually 5 blushes and this brush. So let's open it. So we have got 5 proper blush shades, and which I think I can definitely use for lips and you know, eyes and cheeks and everything. But yeah, I actually really bought it because of this one color, and this one is a bonus. So this one is Party Pink, definitely here for this one. Yes, this one is Cold Heart, a soft pink like baby doll pink blush. Yes, this one is Natural, definitely another color that would go really nice on my skin tone, bit orangey peachy. This one is Apricot Hot, another one that could potentially go well on my cheeks but probably on my lips with a gloss on top of it. This one is Teach and Peach, and I think this one probably not on my cheeks but more on my lips or my eyes. But yeah, and this is the brush that came with it. So that is the brush, densely packed. Probably you can use it to buff in your blush and everything. But yeah, blending in with the brush. So on this side I've got Party Pink, and here I have got Cold Heart. Love. So on this side I've got Snapshot, and here I've got Apricot Hot. This is showing up, which is not too bad, but this one is not doing much for my skin tone. I do notice it does have a little bit of glitter on there as well. And here I've got Teach and Peach, which is showing up on my skin but still a little bit pale, so probably more on the lips. All in all, I think this is a bargain, a great deal. So link is below if you want to get yours.